Hey, it's basically how to cook here. Today we are going to make stir fry. Uh, I hoped everyone liked the General Tso's chicken video, and if you haven't, please go check it on my other channel or just on my normal channel. Sorry for any background noise because there's people around and I can't help it. Okay, but what you're gonna need for it is salt, pepper, garlic powder. I don't know if you can see it well because of lighting on. Okay, garlic powder, sesame seeds, right here, stir fry noodles or just rice noodles, regular rice noodles, ginger soy sauce, and if you don't know how to make it, it's really simple. It's just literally ginger and soy sauce. 13 shrimp, 3 eggs, like just no, 3 whisked eggs, about a half an onion, about a cup of carrots and broccoli, and a half of a small zucchini. Okay, first you are going to need a almost all the way full pot of water. Automatically put some salt in it, and then turn the, if you're on electric, I don't know about non-electric, but turn the dial, I don't know if you can see it well, but here, turn it all the way to high. I have double high, which means it goes faster, but keep it on that till boiling. Okay, and we're back. The water is not completely boiling, sorry. It's at like at a very soft boil right now. Well, with the pan, first you want to turn it on high, and I forgot to say sunflower oil. You'll also need that. Well, any real oil, but I use sunflower oil. Just put a little in there and wait till it's ready to use. Okay, and we're back. Okay, you want to take your 3 whisked eggs and put it all in there. You'll hear a little bit of noise probably, but it's all fine. Okay. When it starts making that skin, you want to start stirring it. Sorry. Okay. You want to cook the egg till thoroughly cooked first. All the way cooked. Okay. Next, you want to add a teensy bit more of oil. Just a tiny bit more. Not much. Just enough for everything else to cook. Okay. Then you want to add your onions. And zucchini. You don't want to add your carrots and broccoli in, oh yeah, and turn it down a little bit. Probably about 5. You don't want to add your broccoli or zucchini in just about yet, because then it'll, like, make it mushy pretty much. Now it's time to add your 13 shrimp, so they'll cook up properly with the rest of it and add some flavor. Okay, you want to get your salt and slightly season it just to taste. Don't taste it yet because of the raw ingredients. That would be bad. Just don't over salt it. You can always add more. You want a little flavor in there, but not too much. And quick thing about the garlic salt. The garlic salt. Fresh garlic works better, but both is the best. Okay. The water is boiling now. So we take our noodles and just put them in there. And then cook till soft. You'll have to taste them every once in a while, but don't overcook them, or they'll get stringy and rubbery. Okay, and we're back. I strained all the noodles. They're like that. They're actually white, so don't worry about that. Just put them in there, put them straight in the pan with the rest of the stuff. Mix it in, and sorry about the back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about the background noise. People are still here. Okay. Now you want to add a little pepper and some garlic salt and mix it in. Stir up, make sure this is all stirred properly, and then add some of it in. Sorry about the color change. I don't know why it's doing that. Now you stir it and keep till it's nice and stirred. You can taste it if you want. I don't usually, which is a problem sometimes, because you might want to taste it just to make sure not that you don't over salt it. But probably, and then you add a little more of that. Then you keep stirring. Just keep stirring till it's nice and ready. Now you add a little bit more of the soy sauce. Just a little bit more. And then add some of the sesame seeds in. And stir. Keep stirring. Okay, and now it is ready to serve. Take off the heat and serve. Careful with the pan, it's hot, of course, and it's a little hard to serve like this, but it should turn out nice and good. Okay. And then you are done. This is the finished thing, and season and everything after this if you want. But I like to add a little bit more sesame seeds on the top. Not much, but just a little. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and watch my other videos. And please check out my other gaming channel. I'll link that down in the description. Bye.